Although silver took a relatively sharp fall into the 60s, it's often viewed as a healthy correction after a surge to extreme highs. Now, with price continuing to concentrate around the low 70s, optimistic investors are seeing price stabilization in this range, forming a kind of silver lining, which could mark the end of the correction. So as the market waits to see how well support holds, we have to talk about some longer-term forces that could fuel a move back above roughly the mid-70s, which would likely be enough bullish momentum to initiate a rebound, possibly even towards the 90 mark, and eventually open up opportunity to retest the $100 level further into the year. When talking technicals, this means signs like tightening volatility that would suggest selling pressure may be fading and accumulation beginning, which would support a price recovery. When looking off the chart, factors potentially pushing silver higher revolve around the market persistently being in a supply deficit, with demand exceeding production for multiple consecutive years. New mining projects are unlikely to ease this imbalance anytime soon, as development timelines can stretch close to a decade or more. This means higher prices cannot quickly trigger new supply, reinforcing upward pressure over time. Demand-side developments are also supportive, particularly regulatory changes in India that allow mutual funds to invest in silver, potentially unlocking billions in new institutional demand, on top of already strong retail buying. Additionally, geopolitical tensions and rising energy prices may increase inflation expectations, which often benefits precious metals like silver. However, there are also factors that could limit or delay price gains. In the short term, extreme bullish sentiment suggests the market may be crowded, increasing the risk of further corrections or sideways movement. Macroeconomic uncertainty, including fluctuating interest rate expectations and currency strength, could weigh on silver if financial conditions tighten. Industrial demand may also face headwinds if global growth slows, as silver is widely used in manufacturing and technology. After all, it's a superb and affordable conducting material. So while the long-term outlook is supported by supply constraints, short-term price movements will depend on whether current support levels hold and broader economic conditions stabilize.